iWatchTexas School Safety app is a confidential way for students, administrators, parents, and concerned individuals to report any concerns they may have related to potential threats to the safety and security of any school, student, or faculty member in Texas. The app is not designed to report emergencies. For emergencies, call 911. The iWatchTexas app is free and is available on iOS and Android devices. How to download the free iWatchTexas School Safety app. To download the app on iOS devices, open the App Store icon. On Android devices, open the Play Store icon. Search or enter iWatchTexas. Then click Get or Install. Once you have downloaded the app, find the iWatchTexas app icon on your device and open. How to submit a confidential school safety report. To submit a school safety related incident on the iWatchTexas homepage, click Yes, it is school safety related. The report should take 2 to 5 minutes to complete. Before selecting a school, take a moment to scroll to the bottom of the page to read, "What should I report?" and "What makes a good report?" Select a school or search a school name to begin. If your school is not listed, click My School is Not Listed and follow the prompt. If your school is not listed and you need to make a report at this time, please call 844-643-2251. After the school is selected, click Create Report. Basic report information includes activities, reporting person information, and date and time. Basic details include social media, imagery, and incident location. Completing the report includes narrative, review, and submit. After completing your review, select Submit Report at the bottom of your screen. If there are no issues with your report, you will see Report Successfully Submitted. iWatchTexas receives, analyzes, and forwards all reports. Law enforcement and school officials will respond, investigate, and resolve reports and may refer to appropriate authorities. Remember, the app is not designed to report emergencies. For emergencies, call 911. In addition to the iWatchTexas app, school safety reports can be submitted on the web at iWatchTexas.org or by phone at 844-643-2251. It is everyone's responsibility to keep Texas safe.